Unable fails. Brand anyway per yapis. Rid drearing like fleeting moment passing by. My love for you keeps expressing every second in the morning, in the afternoon, or at night. My love for you is every super a reminder. Heavy a great day, a hit of my happens. You all deserves all of my. You deserve my morning night. A hit of happens. You deserve me morning, night, and now you are deserve my present and future because you are my very best. I love you. Go my is the distractions of my day without you. I am feeling for your oppositions so much, my dear. It is not being in love that makes me happy, but it's being in love with you that makes me happy. Waking up with your thought in my makes me fit for the day more than I rigorous exercise. Would I thanks for your embracing love and caring. I love you. The hardest thing I could ever do it is to forget about you. I am spending on one moment holding you than a lifetime knowing I never could under underneath the heaven gentle you a prince stands noble as art to so true. I atronate in white a vacations sereness, a simply of faces claim and dreams unseen. The quivering grossing eyes ahead with care. Each fold a whisper of legacy rarer as gives us beacon both strong and kind, a reflections of wisdom, a thoughtful mind. Oh, fans who follow, let joy ignite. For this moment is your be it in the light. A leader, a point with a art that gives in this words love forever lives lives to the woman whose heart bites soft and free. This is poem carries his whisper of destiny, for in his cream and in his grace he holds the warmth of a secret embrace. Late is the vacation spring smiles to your face, a princess whose gracious the beauty of graces, for in every hold of his robe so pure lies a story of love, eternal and sure. I am tired of a life, a day, a night without you, so said. To know that you are this far away from me, I miss you, darling. My love, I want you to follow my page. You know that I love you so much with all my heart, and I want to you love me to follow me. I always to want to keep you safe because you are my happiness and my joy. You are my sunshine and my honey. I always keep you safe and every make sure you are okay for me, baby. My love for you is my unconditionally. I trust you are in my heart, sweetheart. I love you till my last breath. Please message me, sweetheart. Let's discuss about the membership card. I am waiting for you message my love to my darling. Your love is like a beacon of light in the darkness, guiding me towards a brighter tomorrow. I am forever grateful for your love, sweetheart. Your love is the anchor that keeps me grounded in this sweetest world. I am pleased to have you by my side now forever. My love for you. Your love is like a gentle breeze that crosses my soul, bringing my paces and tranquility. I am forever grateful for your preciousness in my love's romantic poem. Only for you, do not stay away, come close to my. Today I will drown in your files into my with the warmth of your breath